The Indian Dream. Your business starts now. Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss? Of building something from the ground up, something that is truly yours? In India, that dream is within reach. Starting a business might seem daunting, a mountain too high to climb. But let me tell you, every big journey begins with a single step. In this video, we'll break down that climb into manageable steps, a step-by-step guide to launching your own business right here in India. From understanding the market, to navigating the legalities, to finally opening your doors or website, we'll cover it all. Remember, success is not an accident. It's about passion, dedication, and the right knowledge. So, get ready to be inspired, get ready to learn, and most importantly, get ready to take action. Know your battlefield, market research. Understand your customer before your product. Who are they? What do they need? This is where market research comes in. Dive deep into your target audience. Analyze your competitors. Understand demand and supply dynamics. Is there a gap you can fill? Offer a solution, not just a product. Tailor it to the right audience. Work smarter, not harder. Do your homework. Build a strong foundation. Ensure a strong structure. Your passion, their need, choosing the right business idea. Find your place in the market. Blend your passions with market needs. What excites you? What problems are you passionate about solving? India is booming with opportunities. Be creative, be bold. Align your idea with market research. Passion fuels the journey. Practicality paves the road. Blueprint to success. Creating a solid business plan. A business plan is your roadmap. It lays out your goals and strategies. Start with your business goals. What do you want to achieve? What does success look like for you? Delve into your financial projections. How much capital do you need? Outline your marketing strategies. How will you reach your target audience? Don't forget your operational plan. A well-structured business plan is crucial. It will evolve as your business grows. Chapter 4. Laying the foundation. Choosing your business structure. Choosing the right legal structure for your business is crucial. In India, you have several options: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLP, private limited, or public limited company. Each structure has implications on liability, taxation, and administration. Seek professional advice to determine the best structure for your needs. Chapter 5. Making it official. Registering your business. Now that you've chosen your business structure, it's time to make it official. Registering your business is crucial for operating legally in India. The process might seem daunting, but it's a necessary step towards establishing credibility and building trust with your customers and stakeholders. You'll need to complete the necessary paperwork and obtain relevant licenses to operate legally. Don't hesitate to seek professional help from a chartered accountant or a company secretary to guide you through the process. They can help you navigate the legalities and ensure a smooth registration process. Remember, a registered business is a legitimate business. It opens doors to opportunities, financial assistance, and legal protection. Chapter 6. Obtaining licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may require specific licenses and permits to operate legally. Common licenses include GST registration, FSSAI license, shop and establishment license, and import-export code. Consult with a legal professional to understand specific requirements. Separating your personal and business finances is crucial for effective financial management and legal clarity. Opening a dedicated business bank account is a fundamental step in this direction. It not only simplifies your accounting, but also builds credibility for your business. When choosing a bank, consider factors like transaction fees, minimum balance requirements, online banking facilities, and the bank's reputation for serving businesses. Shop around, compare options, and choose a bank that aligns with your business needs and offers convenient and efficient banking services. Don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify any doubts you may have. Remember, a business bank account is not just a formality. It's a tool for financial transparency, accountability, and growth. Every business needs capital to get off the ground. Fortunately, there are various funding options available in India, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Personal savings are a great starting point, demonstrating your commitment and belief in your venture. Bank loans offer a more traditional route, but often require collateral and a strong credit history. Angel investors and venture capitalists provide funding in exchange for equity in your company. Government schemes offer financial assistance and subsidies to promote entrepreneurship, particularly in specific sectors. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to raise funds from a large pool of individuals online. Don't be afraid to explore all options and choose the one that best suits your business needs and risk appetite. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for the success of any business. Set up a robust accounting system from the start, either by hiring a qualified accountant or using accounting software. Understanding your business's financial health is vital for making informed decisions. Stay informed about tax obligations, filing deadlines, and other compliance requirements. India has a complex tax system, including GST, income tax, and other levies. Ensure you understand your responsibilities and comply with all regulations. Labor laws are another crucial aspect, covering minimum wages, working conditions, and employee rights. Remember, compliance is not optional. It's essential for building a sustainable and ethical business. Having a great product or service is only half the battle. You need to let people know about it. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that encompasses both online and offline tactics to reach your target audience. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with potential customers. Content marketing, through blogs, articles, and videos, can establish your expertise and attract organic traffic. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for ranking higher in search results and driving traffic to your website. Don't underestimate the power of traditional advertising methods like print media, radio, and local networking events. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously analyze your results, adapt your strategies, and engage with your audience to build a strong brand presence. The moment you've been building towards is finally here. Launching your business is an exciting time, but it requires careful planning and execution. Ensure you have a strong online presence, including a professional website and active social media profiles. Announce your launch through press releases, social media posts, and word-of-mouth marketing. Offer early bird discounts, promotions, or special offers to attract customers and generate buzz. Host a launch event or participate in industry trade shows to connect with potential customers and partners. Remember, first impressions matter. Make it memorable, make it impactful, and most importantly, make it yours. Congratulations on launching your business. Now, the real work begins. Building lasting relationships with your customers. Deliver exceptional customer service at every touchpoint. Be responsive, attentive, and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Gather feedback from your customers, both positive and negative. It's invaluable for improving your products or services and tailoring your offerings to their needs. Use feedback forms, online reviews, and social media interactions to understand your customers' perspectives. Address concerns promptly and transparently, demonstrating your commitment to customer satisfaction. Remember, happy customers are your best brand ambassadors. They will spread the word and become loyal advocates for your business. Starting a business is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But remember, every successful entrepreneur has walked this path before you. They've faced their own obstacles, learned from their mistakes, and emerged stronger on the other side. Believe in yourself, believe in your vision, and never give up on your dreams. India is a land of opportunities, and with the right mindset, hard work, and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, take that first step, embrace the journey, and watch your dreams turn into reality. The power to create your own success lies within you.